everyone.
Hello.
Hello, Roman.
Hello.
Hi, today I'm going to introduce you to a letter. This letter is looking, like having a bump on his head again. Look at that, right? So this letter we call letter khor.
Khor.
Yes. Say with me. Khor.
Khor.
ระฆัง
Klang.
Yeah, you don't need to do คอระฆัง
Klang.
Yes, very, very good. ระฆัง is this one. This is ระฆัง okay? Alright, Roman. So the letter sound is, what is the letter sound?
Khor.
Khor. And the way you spell it actually like this. Khor. Okay, say with me. Khor, khor.
Khor.
Yes, that's how you spell this letter sound. Khor. Khorระฆัง. Oh, very good. What is ระฆัง? ระฆัง. What is ระฆัง? This is ระฆัง.
A bell.
Yes. All right. Now you know the letter name. Khor. Khor. ระฆัง. Yes. Khor ระฆัง. Okay. So now let's spot the khor ระฆัง together here. We have 7 khor ระฆัง. All right. I give you 2 seconds again. See if you can spot them all.
5, 6, 7.
Got it? Alright, let's chant khor, the sounds of the letter khor together. Are you ready? Are you ready? We're gonna chant together. Ready, steady, go. Khor, 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 khor. Very good. Khor for what?
Kang.
No, khor for ระฆัง 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 Say again. ระฆัง Kang is mid-tone. One more time.
Kang.
Yes, ระฆัง. Alright, now let's see some sample of more of this letter sounds, okay? This is something, looking something, I don't know if you can guess it, but the word is ฆาตกร ฆาตกร Yeah. Ka is falling tone. Ta is low tone. Gon is mid tone. One more time. Ka ta gon. Ka ta gon. Okay, this is ฆาตกร นะคะ ฆาตกร is these things. It's actually a person or the one that doing very, very bad things, and he is a killer. So we call ฆาตกร. What? Okay, what is this?
A killer.
ภาษาไทยค่ะ
ฆาตกร.
ฆา is falling
Killer.
tone. Do your head. ฆา ตะ
Ka is this.
ฆาตกร.
Kang.
Okay. The next one is โฆษณา. This is โฆษ
I know
ณา.
what that is. It's an adverb.
Oh, yeah. โคตร เอาใหม่ลูก โคตร
Kosana.
Very good. The next one, the last one is Actually, it's work as the final
Cloud.
consonant. It's make. Make.
It's a cloud.
Look like it. Make. Say with me.
Make.
Very good. This is the last final consonant. And in Thailand, you don't make an N sound like in English. Like, we don't do that sound. Alright? So you just go make. Say with me.
Make.
Very, very good. Now, let's practice some more. Some more writing.
But how do you even write it?
We're going to go on top of the head here. Okay? We go all the way up and then, oh, the bump. Ooh, and then up again. Going all the way down, all the way up to make like another round. Alright, coming down and be straight up again.
There's two heads.
Yes. Yes, that's right, Rom. So, what do you want to call the two head, Roman?
Poop.
Oh yeah. Let's try again. Yeah, we make a head and then go up to make a bump and going down. Okay. This is khor.
Kolakang.
Say with me.
Kolakang.
Very good, Rom. Khor is we don't really use much in Thai language, and you can see that sample are quite difficult, right?
Is
But-
it because it's too difficult to write and it takes too much time?
Yes, and also we don't use as much in Thai
Why?
vocabulary. I don't really know actually. It just happened. Maybe we have another call to replace them that make things more easier. Alright? So this is the sample that I can find, so that the most easy one for the beginner. Okay? So are you done with your writing?
Yes.
Can I have a look? Can you show me your writing? Oh, I love that. That looks really cool, Roman. Very, very nice. Thank you, Roman. Alright, let's practice on more of this and then we can play. We can play a game, okay? What is this?
Another star.
Yes, of course, Rom, if you want it. Okay, what is this one?
Katakon.
One more time. Ka-ta-kon.
Katakon.
Do the symbol on your head. Ka-ta-kon.
Katakon.
Very good.
Katakon.
Very, very good, Rob. Then,
Katakon.
yep. Okay. This one is
Kosana.
very good. Kos. Sa. Na.
Na.
Wonderful. That's exactly.
No.
And this one is make.
Mecca. Mecca.
No,
Mecca.
in Thai language we don't have that k sound.
Mecca. Mecca.
Okay?
Mecca.
If you say that, Thai people will
Mecca.
not understand you.
Mecca.
They will think you're foreigner speak Thai.
Mecca.
Okay? Make.
Mec.
Make, not
Make.
make. Make.
Mec.
We don't make that k sound. Alright?
Make.
Now, let's play game.
Yeah.
Let's play game. Okay, this time we're going to play a different game.
What is it?
I'm going to
Is it sort it out?
No, I'm going to make it upside down like that. And when I open it, you're gonna tell me what it is. Alright, Roman?
Wait, what's the killer one again?
ฆาตกร
Okay, Katakon.
Yes. You wanna repeat it one more time?
No.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
And you gonna get one star if you got everything right. Okay? Are you ready?
Yep.
Abacadabra. อันนี้อะไร
Mec.
Very good อันนี้อะไร
Meccagon.
อะไรนะ
Mic. That Capricorn.
ฆาตกร
Capricorn.
อันนี้อะไร
Consonant.
Very good Roman I think you got one wrong for this
Yeah, but
one
I didn't know how to say it.
Yeah so do you know how to say this one now
Consonant.
No.
No, the consonant thing. How do you say it?
นี่โฆษณา
Wait, how do you say it?
อันนี้ฆาตกร
Okay, Capricorn.
หนูฆ่าตะ
Capricorn.
กรฆ่า
Capricorn.
ตะกร Very good Okay I give you one more chance Rom and the last one is
Me.
Yeah one more time if you get it right you can have one star
Wait, how do you say the kind of thing?
ฆาตกร
Capricorn.
Yes Alright Rom You can write down to, that's the way you remember things
Wait, how do you say it?
Again this is very difficult
Capricorn.
This is ฆาตกรลูก This can be ฆาตกร Yeah like that Is that easier to remember ฆาตกร This is not easy word for beginner so
So Capricorn. Capricorn. Okay.
ฆาตกร Alright What about another word Do you remember โฆษณา
I already remember.
เมฆ Okay Ready
So it's Capricorn.
ฆาตกร
Capricorn.
Yep
Capricorn.
Ready Steady
Capricorn.
Very good You got it at the end
And then me.
Very good
Consonant.
Very good Oh my god Very good It's not easy for this word Roman like I said we don't use much so it's very difficult to
Now I'm
find
gonna get a star.
Yes well done Roman You will get a star for being a star for today and you already have one star right
Yes.
so you already have one star I will let you choose another star
This is my star collection.
Yes this is Roman star collection
I want the
So-
blue, green. Blue, white one.
blue white one where is it which one
That
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You got 2 stars. Well done, Roman. Right. Again. Khor. Khor. Yes. And the way you the sounds of khor is khor. Very good. And letter khor wanted to say goodbye to
Bye bye.
Bye. Khor. Bye bye khor.